I'm back here with a look at Caspa. We're going to take a look at Caspa here in just a second. Do want to show you Bitcoin here. This thing did wick down, came down. Let's see here, close to 77,000, just a hair above it, maybe 78. All right, it has fired back up in here. I mean, if you look at this thing on a 4-hour chart, I mean, it made some pretty big moves today. I'll get this up here in a second. I apologize. It'll pop right up here. But yeah, this thing made some really big moves. Ethereum, another one that made some really nice moves today. ADA, it's up 70%, 69% right now as I'm making this video. But you can see Bitcoin here. I mean, it made a really, really nice bounce off a potential bottom here. All right, I do want to show you a couple things here. We obviously want to be cautious. You know, will there be one final flush down here to finally frustrate the people that are going to get shook out of the market and shaken out? Possible, right? That's always a possibility. We always got to keep that in mind. Never get too complacent here. But anyway, yeah, here we go. All right, let's take a look at something here. You did get this massive spike back up here. A break of this level up here, all right, would tell a lot. Number one, let's get a fib on here. Okay, up through this 100,000 area, right? 100,204 is your 702, right around that level. All right, and if it does get through there, up to towards 128, right? Do I believe this could be the last final push? More than likely, in my opinion. I believe the altcoins are going to continue to rally, and you're going to see some explosive moves out of these things. I truly do believe that. I don't know how much more Bitcoin has left in the tank, right? You come out on a monthly, and look here. All right, take this off here. You know, that potential up here towards 128. 125 to 130, somewhere right around there. That would give you your 5 waves up. And what else I was looking at here? All right, you do have on a weekly, especially, some bearish divergence forming in here. All right, you got this high back here, lower high coming in. And then on a monthly, you got this high, and these right now. This high here is equal to this lower high back here, okay? Actually, it's a little bit below it, if you pull that RSI up and really zoom in on it. So, potentially could be a top coming in here for Bitcoin. The 1618 back here up to 2021, what puts this thing... Yeah, there you go. That's off 2021, 102,963, right? So is this coming in for an ABC now, or is it going to push up for one more? We're going to have to keep an eye on that, right? I still believe these altcoins are going to absolutely tear. All right, you got Caspa, market cap 2.29 billion, 24-hour volume 116 million. That's went up about 20 million in the last 10 or 15 minutes that I've been on here. Okay, so it's that Kaspa's picked up quite a bit of volume there, just within the last few minutes. I do want to tell you guys something over on. There's a link in the description of the video. I'm using weeks now for my leverage trading. I am going to do a $50 giveaway for the next 4 weeks, one a week. For the next 4 weeks, and it's free to sign up. It's free to enter. You're not going to buy anything. Just go over there, sign up with the link in the description of the video. Check it out. You get a bunch of sign-on bonuses, sign-up stuff. Some really cool stuff over there. I have a list of the UID numbers, so members over there that sign up under me, and I will be picking one a week for the next 4 weeks. USDT, I kind of want to stay away from for the Ethereum fee. If you're drawing and you're a winner, you can pick what you want. XRP, Cardano, whatever you want. I would rather just send it without the ETH fee. So whatever you decide you want, I will notify you. Send you either a direct message, or if you're a member over there in Discord, or if you're just drawn off the channel will be, the winner will be announced. I'll do a video next Sunday, and we'll pull up the UID number and put it up there. And if you're the winner, there you go. All right. So, like I said, just use the link in the description of the video. It's free to go over and sign up. Like I said, don't cost you a thing. You don't need to use KYC, none of that stuff. All right, and try the platform out. If you like it, great. I love it. I've been stacking up on Weeks tokens. Right now, that thing is 2 cents right now, I believe. There's only 6 billion. I think it's 6 billion as their total supply. All right, so who knows? They could be the next big trading platform, to come up and through. Could turn out to be the next. Who knows? KuCoin or whatever. KuCoin. I forget what it went up to. $16, might be more than that, but it went way up there. All right. Yeah, I like their setup. So go check it out. Like I said, the link in the description of the video. Now, Caspa, over here on the daily, you do have a resistance coming in. What I was looking at here, right, this 6.4 that's down here, was looking at 5 waves down on this thing. Could it have bottomed? Yeah, it could be done. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Now the target for that 5th wave, without this ridiculous wick in here. All right, I hate that. That's one thing you don't get over there either, is these big, huge liquidity wicks. Stop you out every single time. All right, you do got a big gap in here between 1.618 where this stopped, but is that good enough? Yeah, it absolutely could be. And what's going to tell that for Caspa here is a break through this resistance. Okay, this resistance comes in at roughly 9.7, somewhere right around there. Yeah, 9.7. So break of 9.7. This thing could really start ripping. I mean, if you come out here on a weekly, and take a look at Caspa. I mean, it's taking a pretty good beat down here, for sure, right? I mean, off the top here, excuse me, Oreo cookies, love them, man, but I will demolish a whole box of them or bag of them, whatever you want to call it, in one sitting, and we get the family size. I just absolutely love Oreos and milk. Absolutely, so be looking for Caspa at least, to retrace back up into these zones, to 618, up at 15 to 16.3, and then if we get up through there, up towards that 30-cent range, right? Okay, so did we get this, is that 5th wave done? Possibly. If it does push down one more time, it's going to frustrate a bunch of people 100%. They're going to say this is a bear market, blah, blah, blah. They're going to sell. This thing's going to come down. If it does push down one more time, it's going to come down, bounce, and absolutely massively skyrocket off the bottom. I'm sure. These things, all of them, everything. The weekly RSI is definitely down towards the bottom. You got your daily. Let's see here. Oversold. Looks like you got some bullish divergence here. Going off of here. Then you have a higher low here on the RSI down here. As far as price goes, you have lower lows, so you got bullish divergence on the daily RSI, which looks great for Caspa. And if you come in and look here, you would expect a bounce. Let's zoom in here and get that. All right. You'd be looking for a bounce on this. If this would be a bottom, you'd be looking for a 50% retracement roughly. Let's see what we got here. Let's really zoom in on this. All right, here's your 1, 2, 3 wave 4 pullback, and you're going to have 5th wave to the upside. And if this wick is legit, then that should take out that resistance. You know, could have bottom. Definitely could have a bottom in here. You know, 382 to a 50% is normally a fourth wave back. And it is definitely getting there towards that area where you should be getting a bounce out of this pretty soon. The deepest this should go is 0.086, okay? And this should start back to the upside. And if it gets a break of that, that resistance up there, we say about 9, you know, even 9.6, a break of 9.6 is going to take that out. But even if it went from where it's at now, you know, fifth wave up would put it around 9.8, 9.9. You know, if it breaks through there, it's gonna start really tearing. You know, it'd be nice to get one of them candles like Cardano had on it over there. So definitely keep your eye on Caspa. This thing, like I said, you're gonna have a fifth wave up here for this move. That should take out that resistance level. The overhead resistance, the yellow resistance line, and it should get this thing moving. All right, now 9.8 on this. Let's take a look at this here. And normally, if this was going to be a push down, right off of here, you would expect, right off here, looks like your wave 2, roughly a 382 to a 50% retracement. You're right in that zone right there, closing candle wise. All right, so we're going to want to see a push through here. 9598 is going to put it right up in the 618 and 702. All right, so that is going to have to get through there. All right, if not, you can see an ABC, which would tie right into that 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth wave to the downside. All right, so a push through 9.8. You know, call 10. You might as well say 10 cents. Got to get above 10 cents. You know, before any kind of rejection kicks in after this next push up. Should definitely get a next push to the upside out of this, but definitely going to want to get through that 10 cent area. All right, now over here on Bitcoin, kind of, I just think this thing is just bottomed. I really do. I think that's over with. Got that daily. That's probably doing the same thing in here. Let's zoom in here. Yeah, got a 1, 2, 3. Looking for a fourth wave pullback down towards, let's see here. Trying to see where this wave 2 would have, not a very deep wave 2 pullback, that's for sure. Very shallow, you know, showed a lot of strength in Bitcoin. If you don't get a, you know, at least a 50% retracement for wave 2, if you get like a 236 or 382, that shows strength, you know, in the token, and you're going to get them big, massive pushes like Bitcoin has had here today. So I'd look for a pullback, you know, anywhere 89, 90,000, and then this next push to the upside, which technically should take out that upper resistance level on Bitcoin also. All right, you got that 4 hour at the top, looking for a pullback. We go out in the daily. You know, should take out that level here. Like I said, what is going to tell you a lot is that 102,000 area. At 618, 702. Either we're coming in for one more push to the upside or a ABC correction. Right, and on here it is 97 to 100,000. Right, so you're going to want to see a break roughly of 100,000. That's a 702, and a good hard run to the upside. Now, as far as Bitcoin dominance goes, you know, we're going to be over in Discord trading the heck out of this. So sign up for a level 3 membership. Come over there and join us and start leverage trading. We have this Altseason coming. You can see how close it is to breaking this support line now. One other thing, got bearish divergence here. You got this high and a lower high in the RSI, higher highs in dominance. So you have bearish divergence. You have a trend line about to break. Yeah, it's why I believe an Altseason's about to start. Bitcoin dominance looks like is about ready. Unless it holds this support line and bounces up from here. I don't think it doesn't look like it's going to. and watch that to start rolling over. And the exciting thing about it is this all season, this support has not even broke yet. Okay, and we'll be looking for a move down in dominance down towards 28 to 30%. Right, we're still up at 60. Okay, so this could turn out to be a great, no different than the last one in 2021. I was here through that. You started seeing a couple coins pop off, and they'll take their turns. Gaming, the NFT section, they'll all take their turns going. You know what I mean? It's not all at one time, but you'll see a lot of them going. Like I said, the gaming sector, the NFT sector, whatever you got going on, they will take their turn and they will run hard. It's unbelievable. I'm totally pumped and I cannot wait. But sign up for that level 3 membership, like I said. That for $15, that gets you 10 hours of videos and a link to Discord, to our trading group. And you definitely want to be trading these moves. This is where the money's made. The alt seasons, the Bitcoin bull run, and the alt season. The alt season is what we wait for, right? You got the total 3, pulling away from that 702 now, which is good to see. Okay, that the total 3 is your market cap, whole market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, and we're expecting this to get up towards 1.7 trillion dollars. All right, hasn't even set a new all-time high yet. Did have a wick up through there, but no closing candles. And you can see here on the monthly, the RSI is heading to the upside. All right, so the total 3 looks fantastic. The total 2 hasn't set an all-time high either. All right, this thing has a ways to go. This is your total market cap excluding Bitcoin. All right, we're looking for 2.5 trillion. We're at 1.2 now, so we're expecting double what it is now. All right, the total market cap is at 3.07 trillion, and it has set a new high. This is with Bitcoin. All right, so obviously you would expect that. This thing is poked up through. Let's put a fib on it. Yeah, this is the only one that's really getting some major traction, and it made it up to 3.74. Not a whole lot left in it, right? Looking for 4.28. That's because of Bitcoin. Right? It takes 70% of the market cap up, and that's what you get. Or 60% right now, but that's what ran that up so much, and that shows you that Bitcoin is going to top before the altcoins do, right? I mean, it's pretty obvious. The other two haven't even got past their previous all-time highs yet, and this is up through and looking like a possible final push. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is either an ABC coming in here, or this is the last push up for this. Yeah, there it is. Right towards 4.5. All right, so another 1.5 trillion there. That's still a lot of money there for that the total market cap of crypto. All right, so market is looking good out there, guys. Watch for the breaks of them key levels. That is what you're going to want to see with Caspa, with Bitcoin. You're going to want to see them key levels taken out, and hopefully the bottom's in. All right, thank you so much. Hit that like and subscribe. I'll be back with you soon. Have a great night, everybody. Get it over there and sign up for weeks and get yourself in for that membership. It's totally free. Have a great day, everybody.